The CN Tower, a marvel of Canadian engineering location. Toronto, Ontario. Quick facts. Height, 553.3 meters, 1,815 feet. Built, 1976. Designed to withstand earthquakes and winds over 400 km/h. Home to EdgeWalk, the world's highest hands-free walk, the history and mystery of the CN Tower. In the late 1960s, Toronto's skyline was rapidly growing, and radio and television signals were becoming increasingly distorted due to interference from tall buildings. The Canadian National Railway, CN, proposed the construction of a massive telecommunications tower to provide clear broadcast signals while also becoming a symbol of Canada's engineering prowess. The mystery behind the name. Many believe CN stands for Canada's National or Canadian North, but it originally referred to the Canadian National Railway, which commissioned the tower. Today, it is simply known as the CN Tower. Secrets of the tower. Lightning magnet. The tower is struck by lightning over 75 times a year, but its massive grounding system safely dissipates the energy. Earthquake proof. Its flexible yet strong design allows it to absorb seismic activity without structural damage. Hidden underground system. Deep below the tower, there's a massive foundation that keeps it stable despite extreme wind forces. Construction. An engineering marvel, the CN Tower was one of the most ambitious projects of its time, requiring innovative construction techniques never used before in Canada. One on the massive foundation. The base of the tower was excavated 15 meters deep into solid rock. 56,000 tons of concrete were poured to create a stable foundation. Special reinforcements were added to withstand Toronto's unpredictable climate. 2. The concrete shaft, rising to the sky. The tower's main shaft was built using a technique called slip forming, where concrete was continuously poured into a moving mold. Over 1,500 workers labored around the clock for months to create the seamless concrete structure. 3. The SkyPod and antenna installation. The iconic SkyPod at 447 meters high was lifted into place by a massive crane attached to the tower itself. The final piece, the 100-meter antenna, was lifted by a helicopter and installed in sections, requiring extreme precision. 4. Testing and safety measures. Engineers simulated extreme weather conditions, including hurricane-force winds and earthquakes. Over 53,000 metric tons of reinforced concrete ensure that the tower remains one of the most stable structures in the world. Why is the CN Tower an engineering marvel? Tallest freestanding structure for over 30 years, until the Burj Khalifa in 2007. First structure to use slip-form construction at this scale. One of the safest and strongest towers ever built. A key telecommunication hub for Canada. A symbol of innovation and Canadian pride. Today, the CN Tower is more than just an observation deck. It's a testament to human engineering, standing as one of Canada's greatest achievements.